AI is a mystery. It's a mystery for you. It's a mystery sometimes for me. But in utilizing it, you find out that it not only helps your business, it takes the pain out of the little things you want to and need to do. It's not going to get rid of employees. It's not going to replace you, at least not yet anyway, but it can help you. It can help you in the simplest of ways and the simplest of things. One thing I'm going to show you now is I want to be practical as to how I'm going to show you how you utilize this. And we're going to look at Google reviews. Google reviews, something simple, something that we all should be getting. If you're not getting good reviews, contact me and I can help you get more reviews. Now, we're not going to talk about how to get more reviews right here. We're going to talk about how to answer the reviews. I'm going to scroll all the way down and you can see the differences in comments. See, this is a comment. This is Count TLC, they May 24th. Thank you for the 5-star review for motorbike parts and service. Anytime Sydney from bike parts and repairs. Basically, this is the person answering the review. Now, a lot of times when you get a review, you should one always answer reviews. Sometimes when you're answering reviews, you're sitting there thinking like, what am I going to say? What should I type? Do I even want to type it? Now, if you had AI doing that, it can not only help you, it can save you a lot of time. Let's scroll forward and look at some of the AI, what AI and how AI has answered. Usually a little bit longer the way AI talks, but nonetheless, at least it is done. Thanks so much for your kind words, Kathy. You see the difference already? Thank you so much for your kind words, Kathy. We are thrilled to hear that you consistently receive 5-star service from us. We appreciate your support and look forward to serving you. It's a little bit longer, but it's concise. It's very specific. Here it is. Thank you so much for your kind words, Ajit. I can't pronounce that name too well. We are thrilled to be your go-to mechanic because they said go-to mechanic here, and are happy to know that you find our prices reasonable. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you with any future automotive need. Now, what happens is this comes in a review from one of your customers. AI, your Google account is connected to the systems, the software. You can get this software and we can get it up and running for you in a very quick time. It will give you a suggestion. It's a suggestion, not a definite. A lot of times you see this, you modify it a little bit, but definitely you read it. If you like it, you hit yes, boom, done. It saves you absolutely no time at all. Thanks, Elaine, for a 5-star. It's always appreciated. It's a little bit short. This one was not written by AI, but all the other ones were. And you can tell the difference. Thank you so much for glowing. You can tell that was actually AI wrote that saying glowing. But nonetheless, that is how you take advantage of AI. See, now what happens is it helps you, it doesn't replace you. So now it writes this, you look at it, you say yes, you say no, you may say, I don't say glowing, I will never say glowing. You can change this to something else. You can ask AI to give me another version, give me another, as many as you need to, but you normally don't have time for that. Basically, you really want to answer as fast as possible, get it done, move on to more important things, and that in this case is a mechanic. So you want to get back to fixing the motorbike so that you can move on and continue to make money. Now, this is helping you make money too because one, you should always answer your reviews. You answer reviews, Google says, well, this person's active. I'm going to give this person more play. I'm going to give this person, this business more presentation, or I'm going to help get the word out a little bit. And just from getting reviews and answering it, this customer, this business, a customer of mine, their Google reviews or business profile has moved up to the top 3, sometimes in the number 1 spot, just because of getting something as simple as reviews, 1, 2, answering the reviews. Very, very important, like I said. So the mystery in AI, this is one category of how you can enhance or increase or get rid of the mystery with what is AI? What am I supposed to do with it? How do I use it? How do I implement it? Below, I'm going to give you a link that you can sign up and get you on this software. The software is called Go High Level. I can help you get up and running and implement it in a very short period of time so you can take the mystery out of AI